Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a humid, sultry day here in Florida. Got rainstorms up in the St. Pete area that we'll probably get here at some point in time today, but hopefully it's all gone before tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning we ride. We'll be loading up and headed to Alabama tomorrow morning, and it's a 600-mile day. Maybe 600 plus. We're going a little further than we usually do, so I'm curious to see exactly how many miles we got to put on tomorrow, but it's going to be a full freaking day. Whew. Then we'll be there Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday's another full day all the way back. Oh well, it is what it is. Welcome to our lives. So today is just a wrap-up day. We've got to get packed. We've got to get every little thing that we need to do here wrapped up. I think I'm gonna go get my hair did, and then we'll head out. So with that being said, oh, you know what, I noticed something today. So I'm riding my bike today and cruising down the road, and the busy road, right? And I get this like smell, and it's like, I don't know, cotton candy, Fruit Loops, something like that. I'm sure it was somebody's vape. But then I was thinking, you know, when I was growing up, like, you smelt exhaust, and the cars were loud, and cigarettes, and even a little wacky tobacco from time to time, but you never smelt Fruity Pebbles. Is that just a sign of our times now? Fruity Pebbles for everybody? Anyway, just an observation. Let's go get some coffee. We'll see you in a bit. All right, it's time to squeeze in a haircut before we take this adventure. I figured I'd take old Red for a ride. She hasn't been out of the garage in weeks. So we'll take her for a ride, we'll get a haircut, come back, then we gotta get all packed. This never ends, does it? Anyway, might as well squeeze in a good ride beforehand. Oh, and it's supposed to start raining, so hopefully I beat all the rain. Out for a ride. It has not been ridden in months, any distance. My turn. All right, haircut's done, and so far we have beat the rain. Just a few miles, and it'll have been a successful trip. Old Red's been running good. Had time to ride it more. Oh well, that's the only thing I have to complain about. My life's pretty good. Time for lunch. See you in a few. Well, I got sprinkled on, made it home. I got one thing accomplished today. Let's see if we can get the rest of this done. All right, guys, that is a wrap. We are packed. We are ready to go. Our friend Shyla that we're going to see in Alabama tomorrow, she moved, so it is now another 49 miles to where she lives. So tomorrow's ride will be 650 miles instead of our normal 600. like 600 wasn't long enough. Now I got to knock out 650. According to navigation, it is 11 hours riding time. You throw in a couple hours to stop and eat and get gas. We're on the road for 12 hours. So I'm guessing we're going to try to get out of here about 6 a.m. That way we can be there around 6 p.m. Or 7 p.m. Tomorrow is going to be one long day. You guys will get to go along with us. But that means today, I'm going to try to make a short day. I'm going to try to get all this wrapped up so that we can chill with the family a little bit tonight before we head out. And then first thing in the morning, bright and early. If we leave here at 6, that means we're up at 4. So I'm going to need to get to bed and get some sleep, get some rest. So I did a little short video today, just because of all the comments I've gotten on the whole biker and non-biker, that video I did. I've come to realize something. There is an entire generation of motorcycle rider out there that got their education about motorcycles from South Park. Now, I personally never watched South Park. I can honestly say I've never seen an entire episode of South Park. But what I do know is it's a cartoon. And that's where they got their education about motorcycles. So it's pretty funny when they come on and start commenting about the South Park video, and I get a kick out of that. Anywho, that's it, guys. Short video today because tomorrow's going to be a long-ass day. And I'm going to go eat and chill with the family. So we'll see you all tomorrow.